been a while, and some good things, some bad things, mostly bad. Bad things are pretty bad, but you could probably figure it out from the title of this video, but we'll get it out in a minute. Basically, I put a new intake manifold on, intercooler, and KO4 upgrade, and I love all of them, with one exception so far, but I'll do a review on that. I'll post the link in the description of this video and when that's up and running. But yeah, I've ruined my car. Well, I did. It's fixed now. Clearly I'm driving it. But funny story, I love the TSI engine, don't get me wrong. However, when it comes to the timing chain tensiometer, it goes to about 100,000 miles-ish. So I had about 110,000 on it when it happened, and the tensiometer decided to give out on me. And since it's an interference motor, this happened. The valves found the pistons, and it was pretty bad. These are a couple of the worst ones, but yeah, they're supposed to be straight, in case you didn't know. But all of them look like that. And long story short, I had to get a new engine. So two things with that. One, it's not a TSI engine, but the Gen 1 EA888.1, which was in the 2009 GTIs, which is what I've got, has a tensiometer issue. If you've got a Mark 6 in the US, that's 10 to 12. Also have the TSI engine, but it's the Gen 2. The timing chain tensiometer components are upgraded. So that's the bonus. I got a new engine, and it's the Gen 2. So, hooray. Another bonus, it only had 50,000 miles on it. So, hooray. I had all the standard maintenance done to it, so I shouldn't have to worry about much of that at all, if any. But, funny story about the whole situation, it was actually cheaper to buy a new engine than it was to just fix the head, because they could replace the valves and all that good stuff. But when I replaced the KO4, or upgraded the KO4, excuse me, and my intake manifold off on all that, I did some seals also. I replaced the valve cover seal as well as the upper timing chain cover seal. And whether or not I inadvertently put undue stress on the upper timing chain tensiometer, possible. I'm not denying that. This may be self-induced. However, it is a fairly common problem from what the repairman told me. Great guys, by the way. PHP specialists in St. Louis, or not St. Louis, excuse me, Springfield, Missouri. Nope, they moved. They're in Joplin now. They're phenomenal. I'll put a link to the description. They're great guys. They're an APR dealer. You guys know my opinion of APR, but they're trying to get GAIAC and a whole bunch of other stuff. They're great guys. Their shop is absolutely spotless. There's a lot of cool projects they got going on in there. Phenomenal guys. So if you guys are in the Southwest and want some custom performance stuff done, definitely check them out. They help me out a lot, and they're very, very great to work with. But yeah, so they sourced a new engine for me because of the tune I was running, the Stage 2 GAIAC, which I'm still currently using. It advances the timing a little bit. I'm starting to wear away the honing on the cylinder walls. So he said it was an issue, and it was actually cheaper to buy an entire brand new engine and head and all that. Well, not brand new, used from a total GTI, but it was still cheaper to do that route than actually go with a refurbed, rebuilt head or a built head from Integrated Engineering, because cams and the head are a match set, and this is when I come back to. I had to move the cams out of the way to get the fuel pump off, yeah, big long story, to replace the valve cover gasket. Anyways, the cams were notched, so loss of oil pressure, overheating like crazy, and to fix that problem they needed new cams, which are over $1,000 a piece, and the new head, which I now have a built head from Integrated Engineering Racing. It's SuperTech valves and springs, and it's phenomenal in higher RPMs now. It's great, I love it. But all that just the head and new cams, was about $9,000. I don't have $9,000. I haven't had $9,000 in a long time. So the engine, brand new engine, head, new stuff from Integrated Engineering, the valves and springs. After everything was said and done, was about $7,000, and I got an engine with less than half the mileage on it that I already had on my current engine. So win-win. $7 grand. It's an awful lot to bite off, but I'm happy with everything. And I will say, if you guys are, most of you guys are probably over, if not close to 100,000 miles on your GTIs if you drive nearly as much as I do. And I highly, highly, highly recommend being preemptive about it, taking it into a shop that you trust, or if you feel confident doing it yourself, replace the upgraded timing chain components, or replace the timing chain components with upgraded ones. They're straight swap out of the Gen 2 engine. It's fairly straightforward from what I understand. I have not done it, so I cannot tell you. But it will save you a heartache. My car was down for about 3 or 4 weeks. Everything was said and done, and it was out of state, which was a huge pain. So if you guys love your car as much as I do, it sucks being without your baby, and it sucks getting a ride to work and home every day because you don't have a car. It drives me nuts. But anyways, I highly recommend doing that. And nifty, fun little tidbit that Matt over at PHP informed me of: the rear main seal on, or the stock rear main seal, excuse me, on these will fail. Always does, always has, and always will. There is an upgraded one that I will put a link in the description for you guys to find. And he said he's never had issues with it failing, anything like that. So they did that for me also, which was fantastic. Didn't even have to ask him to. Like, hey, just so you know, we did this. So super great guys. Did a lot of work. The car's running great now. But yeah, wish I had some bright and shiny rainbows and sunshine for you guys. But where there's a downside, there's always an upside. So I will post some reviews of all the fancy things that I've had done before I jumped timing and all the chaos ensued. And expect those here in the near future. I appreciate you guys for watching.